Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how to block unknown calls on iPhone. If you want to block spam calls or unknown calls on iPhone, I'm gonna be showing you that, and it's going to be basic and very simple to do. In this video, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to the settings on your phone. So let's go to settings first. So once you arrived in settings, I want you to scroll all the way down. So once you scroll all the way down, I want you to tap on apps. So once you tap on apps, it's going to take you to this page. On this page, you want to check the upper side. You are going to see a search box, empty box over there. I want you to tap on that search box. So once you tap on that search box, the next thing you want to do here, you want to type in phone inside that box, phone. Once you type phone, it will bring out the phone icon for you. I want you to tap on that phone. So once you tap on that phone, I want you to scroll all the way down. So once you scroll the way down, you are going to see something like silence unknown callers. I want you to tap on that silence unknown callers. Once you tap on silence unknown callers, it will take you to another page. As you can see, on this page, silence unknown callers is turned off. What do you want to do to avoid or to stop spam and unknown calls? You just want to toggle this on. Let's turn this on. So once you tap on it, it will turn green. That means you have successfully turned on the silence unknown callers. This means once this thing is toggled on, it means whenever anybody calls you, whenever an unknown number calls you, it's going to be silenced and you are not going to receive them. So guys, this is how you can actually silence unknown calls on iPhone. I hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching.